Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to download Spotify on Android in 2026. The first and foremost thing that you must ensure is that you're either connected to a Wi-Fi or a mobile data network. If you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, then it will show a Wi-Fi icon on your status bar. If you're connected to a mobile data network, 4G or 5G will be seen right next to your SIM, right next to your network status. Then you can head over to settings on your device, scroll all the way down, hit about phone, and then hit software information to make sure that you are running at least Android 7.0 or higher. This phone's Android version is Android 16, so we're good to go. After that, you can head back over to your home page and then head over to your app drawer and then type in Play Store in the search bar. Open up Play Store and then in the search bar of Play Store, you must search for Spotify. Go or enter and then hit install right next to Spotify. What you must ensure is that you're logged into your Google account before you try to download any apps, or else you'll simply be prompted to enter your Google account details to log into your Google account before downloading any app. After you've installed Spotify on your device, you can simply open it, log in, and start listening to music. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.